Yep.
Cho bố mai chở bố trả ta tư.
2018. Here, take a video of me.
Ame bố lô pi là chọn. Mi chưa tự bố lại.
No. 2018 seems scary. What do you think about 2018? Well, you got a baby coming. You got a baby.
What has been?
Let's see. What else? I don't know. I might probably finally get a job I can keep. I'm gonna keep going to.
Ame chọn sai chọn.
Hey, future me, keep going what you're doing. 2017 was rough, but you can still do it.
Cú lại từ ai cho ra rồi nó. Nó cú lại
This
từ
is
ai
for my
về.
future self, okay?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be talking to my future self, so. Might
Cú
even
lại
get a
về khăn
haircut.
nét tệ. Nó khéo.
I don't know. I'm scared for 2018.
Not scared, should be looking forward to it.
I don't know what's gonna come in 2018.
Yeah, bố tay chỉ khét tệ quê mà bố tay.
Yep. You get this.
Get blessing from our elders,
Yeah.
older people. Ame bố tay là bố ghé về tôi rồi.
Bless those who didn't make it in 2017.
Thế.
Huh?
Thôi ngon đi.
No time.
Don't shake it too much. Don't.
Alright, that's Micah. That's John. Here is the creator of all three of us right here. This is the
I
woman.
told you to get up, please.
Get up, okay. We gotta do what she says. So right here, this is my mom.
Ame cho bố tay tự à bố mai chưa.
Yep.
Bố tay là bố ghé chưa mình.
You take a look at her dress. She looks very nice.
Sao mà lại tập thôi rồi mới chụp cái gì đâu.
Well, you gotta get in there too. This is the blessings over here. Here's the man himself. Doesn't have his shoes on yet. And this right here is my wonderful family. Mike over here. Here's Ayu Memai. Damn. The thing about my mom is she's remained strong all year.
Okay, bye.
Okay.